Clapperboard How to Enable Web Search in Claude AI Quick Tutorial. Hey everyone, want Claude AI to search the web and give you real-time up-to-date answers? Let me show you exactly how to turn it on right now. Let's go. First, open Claude AI on your desktop at claude.ai or launch the Claude mobile app and log into your account. Start a new conversation or open an existing one. Now look at the bottom of the chat input box. You will see a row of icons. Find the globe icon or the search the web button and simply click or tap it to toggle web search on. Once it is highlighted or activated, Claude will now pull live information from the internet when answering your questions. Type your question as normal and hit send. You will notice Claude now references current sources, includes up-to-date information, and even shows you the links it pulled from right inside the response. If you do not see the globe icon, make sure you are on the latest version of the Claude app and check that your account plan supports web search, as it is available on Pro and Team plans. And that is literally all there is to it. One tap, real-time results, smarter answers. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Clipboard quick recap. 1. Open Claude AI on desktop or mobile. 2. Find the globe icon in the chat bar. 3. Tap or click to enable web search. 4. Type your question and get live results.